Now first question related to Stokes theorem. The question is, using Stokes theorem, find the value of double integration over the s del cross f dot n cap ds for the following function. The function is vector f is equal to yi cap plus z y z j cap plus x k cap over the curve z is equal to 1 minus x square minus y square, z greater than equal to 0. Okay, so by using Stokes theorem हमने इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है. Function f is given. So see here. Step 1. First we will use Stokes theorem. So we will write here the statement of Stokes theorem. Double integration over the surface S del cross f dot n cap ds is equal to c vector f dot dr. Now we will find the value of this, but Stokes theorem says that this equal to this. So we will, if we find out this value, then automatically we find out this value. So we will use this. Okay, vector f dot dr. So the value of dr is equal to vector dr is equal to dx I cap dy j cap dz k cap. So when the function f dot product with vector dr, the value is in dot product I dot I1, j dot j1 and k dot k1. So the value will be y dx plus z dy plus x dz over the curve C. Now this is the function. Now we want the limits of this curve. So this function, we want this value of this function over this curve. So now we will write the equation of curve. Consider the given surface z is equal to 1 minus x square minus y square, z greater than equal to 0. It means this surface, in this surface we will write z is equal to 0. Then what will we find out? 0, 1 minus x square minus y square, then x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is the equation of the bounding curve C. Okay, so we find out a circle. तो हमने जो बाउंडेड कर्व मिला वो हमने क्या मिला है हमें? This is the circle. Now in the circle we made this integral. This is in the x y z form. We will convert it into polar form. It means r and theta, and put the value, put the limit. So for any circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. Here a is equal to 1. Always in the circle, the equation of x, we will put x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta, and z is equal to 0. Now dx is equal to minus a sin theta d theta, dy is equal to a cos theta d theta, dz is equal to 0. We substitute the value here. Okay, now we want the value of this integral, so we will write here the value of r and theta in the place of x, y, z. So the value of y is equal to a sin theta, the value of dx is equal to minus a sin theta d theta. So here we write a sin theta minus a sin theta d theta. Now the second integral is y z dy. The value of z is 0, so it will be 0. Now the value of x is equal to a cos theta, but the value of dz is 0, so its value also 0. Now see here, 0 a sin theta minus a sin theta d theta plus 0 0. Now we will discuss about the limits. So this is the circle, and this is the only one integral. Okay, now one integral we will take here the limit of theta, because the integral with respect to theta, so we will take here the limits only theta. This is the circle. Okay, the limit 0 to 2 pi. The whole circle we will take x square plus y square is equal to 1. The limit will be 0 to 2 pi. So we will write here 0 to 2 pi. Now minus a square is the constant. We will put it outside of the integral. The limit will be 0 to 2 pi sin square theta d theta. Now step 4. Now we will use conversion formula. What is the conversion formula? See here. Conversion formula is 0 to 2 pi sin raised to n theta d theta. We can write 4 times of 0 to pi by 2 sin n theta d theta, when it is possible if n is even. Okay, if here n is odd, what is the value of this? Its value will be 0. If n is odd. Now see here, if 0 to 2 pi sin square theta d theta, its value will be 4 times 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta. Why? Because 2 is the even number. If here sin cube theta, then its value will be 0. Okay, so we will use here this conversion formula. So what is the value of this? The value of this minus a square 4 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta. Now our work to find out the integral of this value. So what will we do? We will use reduction formula. I will write down to you all the reduction and conversion formula separately. Okay, so what type of formula there are using, only I am telling you. Okay, so यहाँ पे सिर्फ रिडक्शन फॉर्मूला काम में आ रहा है. रिडक्शन फॉर्मूला क्या होता है आपने M2 में पढ़ा था. अगर नहीं पढ़ा है तो अभी आप देखो, यहाँ पे रिडक्शन फॉर्मूला होता है 0 टू पाई बाई 2. लिमिट क्या होनी चाहिए? 0 टू पाई बाई 2 साइन n थीटा डी थीटा, और 0 टू पाई बाई 2 कोस रेज टू n थीटा डी थीटा. इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? इसकी वैल्यू होगी n-1 n माइनस 3 एंड सो ऑन। देखो यहाँ पे मैंने लिख भी रखा है, ये रहा रिडक्शन फॉर्मूला। ठीक है, 0 to π/2 लिमिट ही होनी चाहिए। और यहाँ पे n को हम कैसे एक्सपेंड करेंगे, n-1 n-3 अपॉन नीचे n लेंगे, सिर्फ n-2 n-4, n-1 लेके 2 अपन माइनस करते जाओ, नीचे भी सिर्फ पूरा n लो, n माइनस करते जाओ, multiply by p. So the value of p is equal to 1 if n is odd number. Odd means 1, 3, 5, 7. P is equal to π/2 if n is even number. It means sin square theta, cos square theta, sin raised to 4 theta, sin raised to 6 theta. Okay, then p will be π/2. So when we will use the reduction formula here, so minus 4a square is the constant, so there is no any change. Now sin square, तो n-1, 2 - 1 is 1 upon n, 1/2. Okay, now this is the even number, so there will be, we will write π/2. So minus 4a square 1/2, π/2, 2 to the 4, 4 will be cancel out. The value will be minus a square pi. A is the radius of the circle. So here a is equal to 1. The equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1. The equation of the circle will be x square plus y square is equal to 1. So here a is equal to 1. The radius of the circle will be 1. So when we will put here, the answer is minus pi. Hope you will understand this. If you have any doubt, then please ask.